Motivation is a very powerful tool that can help you overcome your biggest challenge. However, learning how to get motivated to work out is one of the most challenging things to do. If you are looking to get motivated to exercise, here are 9 tips for you. 1. Set a schedule. Think of working out as an important meeting with yourself. You would not cancel a meeting with your boss. So why cancel one with yourself? You don't need an hour. You can get just a great workout in 30 minutes as you can in an hour. It's all about intensity. Every Sunday look at your week ahead and block out the times you are going to work out. 2. Buy nice workout clothes. When you invest in attractive training gear, you might actually feel motivated to wear it for exercise. Post a selfie or two in them on your social media and announce your fitness goals to the world. This is one of the best ways how to motivate yourself to exercise. 3. Start really small. Smaller you start, the easier it is to get it done. Take the pressure off and set your workout goals really small. For example, how about just 5 minutes of exercise a day? Too much? Then make it 3 minutes. The most important part is that you do it every day, same time, same place. Give it some structure. The next week, try adding another 5 minutes per day. 4. Find a partner. 2 is always better than 1. Finding a partner to help you walk through this difficult and challenging journey of losing weight is very important. Having someone to always count on, cheer you on, work out with as well as be accountable to will increase your chances of staying on track even when things get tough. 5. Focus on your progress. Instead of thinking about how far you are going to go, think about how far you are come. Tracking your progress and before photos help a long way with this. 6. Listen to motivating music or listen to audiobooks. Music is a great motivator. Listen to upbeat music that you love and work out on its tune. You can also listen to audiobooks. Many people use these tools for much needed fitness motivation. 7. Look for a cool new place to work out. If you don't like to going to gym because you think it's boring or it gets old, try exercising outside. Go to park or a hiking or wherever else you like exercising. Going outside can improve your mood and make you want to actually exercise. 8. Learn from experiences. Speak to a friend who had to deal with being overweighted once upon a time, or read experiences of people online who have transformed their lives after just a few minutes of working out. 9. Have fun. Fitness is fun. Finding something that makes you happy. Now use these fitness motivation tips and get your health back on track. And if you are looking for natural weight loss solution, please visit my channel and like this video and subscribe it and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.